If you're weighing up whether to transfer from a Help to Buy ISA to a lifetime ISA, then stay tuned as I'm going to cover the pros and cons for moving to a lifetime ISA, and I'll also cover the steps that you need to take to make that switch happen. If you're new to this channel, I'm Matt. I've been a finance consultant for over 10 years, working for one of the top consulting companies in London. I now run my own company, and on this channel I talk all things personal finance. So let's get started. If you're not already aware, the Help to Buy ISA is no longer available for new applicants, but if you're an existing Help to Buy ISA account holder, then you can continue saving in it until the 30th of November 2029. For those not familiar with what a lifetime ISA is, it's also a savings account where you can earn interest on the money that you save, and as it's an ISA, that interest can grow tax-free. Like the Help to Buy ISA, the lifetime ISA can be used on a deposit for your first home and has the same 25% bonus on savings. But unlike with Help to Buy, the lifetime ISA can also be used for your retirement. If you're aged between 18 and 39, you can open a lifetime ISA in addition to your Help to Buy ISA. However, you can only use the bonus from one of your accounts towards buying a home. So unless you want to use the lifetime ISA and its bonus for retirement savings, the main decision is whether or not to keep the Help to Buy ISA or transfer it to a lifetime ISA to buy a home. So what are the main benefits of using a lifetime ISA versus a Help to Buy ISA? Number one is that you can save up to £4,000 per year with a lifetime ISA versus £2,400 per year with a Help to Buy ISA. So you'll be able to save and earn your bonus on your savings quicker with a lifetime ISA. Number two is that you'll earn a larger bonus if you're able to save over £12,000. The maximum total bonus you can get with a Help to Buy ISA is £3,000, as you'll only get the bonus on the first £12,000 saved, whereas the lifetime ISA doesn't have this cap, and the maximum bonus is £33,000 if you are able to save £4,000 per year between the ages of 18 and 50. And number three is that whereas with the Help to Buy ISA, you can only buy a property costing up to £250,000 outside of London and £450,000 in London, the lifetime ISA allows you to buy a home for up to £450,000 anywhere in the UK. So on the face of it, the lifetime ISA looks financially like the better option to go with, but there are also drawbacks to consider before making the switch from your Help to Buy ISA. The first is that a lifetime ISA has to be open for at least 1 year to be able to use it to buy a home. So if you've not opened an account yet and you know that you'll buy within a year, then this probably isn't an option for you. The second drawback is that you'll pay a penalty to withdraw cash from your lifetime ISA unless it's used for your first home or retirement. So if you're not sure if you'll buy a home at all, or you think you might need that money before retirement, then the Help to Buy ISA is the safer option. And the third drawback is that if you have more than £4,000 saved in a Help to Buy ISA, you'll need to transfer it over multiple tax years to move all your savings to a lifetime ISA. The money you transfer from a Help to Buy ISA to a lifetime ISA still counts towards the £4,000 lifetime ISA allowance each tax year. So if you have more than that saved, you'll need to wait until after the 6th of April, as that's the start of the next financial year, to move another £4,000. For example, if you had £12,000 saved in a Help to Buy ISA, it would take you 3 tax years to move it all to a lifetime ISA. The timing is important, as if you decide to buy whilst you've got cash in both types of accounts, you would essentially be sacrificing the savings bonus on one pot of money. If you're going to switch, then make sure that you have ample time before you're planning to buy a home to be able to move your cash. And if you don't, again, it's best to stick with a Help to Buy ISA. So after considering the pros and cons, if you've weighed it up and made the decision to transfer your Help to Buy ISA savings to a lifetime ISA, then there are a few steps you're going to need to do. The first is to research the best lifetime ISA providers and their offerings. I've got another video on my top picks for the best lifetime ISAs at the moment, which I'll leave a link to down below. Once you've picked a lifetime ISA and you've opened an account, you then need to transfer your money across. If your provider allows for transfers from your Help to Buy ISA, fill in the transfer form when you apply. This then won't reduce your £20,000 ISA savings limit for the financial year. So in summary, if you're definitely planning to buy a home for less than the lifetime ISA allowance of £450,000, you're aged between 18 and 39, you won't be buying a home within a year of opening an account, and you can max out the savings limit, then it's probably better to go for the lifetime ISA as you'll get a bigger bonus. But if you're planning to buy a home quickly, you're 40 or over, or you're not 100% sure that you'll buy at all, then in this situation it's probably better to stick with a Help to Buy ISA. I hope this video has been helpful for you to weigh up the option. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments, give the video a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next video.